everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Cart Club, just with a quick video. Today I'm going to actually be baking on camera. Woo! I'm so excited. We're going to be baking the Krusteaz Protein Muffin Mix. I'm really excited. I kind of never really did a video like this before. I do want to say happy holidays and happy new year to everyone. I know I've been kind of like delayed posting on this channel. I'm just trying to catch up with the new year and everything that's going on, and I'm just super excited. So I guess I want to thank Krusteaz, and I want to thank InFluencer for sending me the boxes of muffins for me to bake. So we're gonna start baking, and I'll do the whole breakdown and what you guys can do in making your muffins. You are gonna need a few things. You're gonna need 3 eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil. Well, this, I didn't use vegetable oil. I kind of used coconut oil because I don't really like use vegetable oil. So I substituted coconut for vegetable. And 3/4 of a cup of water. Now, normally when I do my baking, I actually don't use water. I usually use milk, but I am going to stick to what the ingredients say on the box today, only because I want to stick to the recipe that's going to be at hand. So yeah, I also got some flour just so I can coat the pans, because I didn't get any of the muffin things to put them in when they're baking. And I got some butter as well, and that's just to coat the pan before I put the flour on. Make sure that you are using a measuring cup to get the right measurements and stuff like that when you're doing this, just because I'm not too sure. I haven't used this box before, but just to make sure that you're getting all the ingredients in the proper way, let's just stick to the plan. Alright, so the directions are: heat oven to 400 degrees, line muffin pan with paper baking cups, which I didn't yet, so I'm just going to put the protective butter and flour. Drain and rinse blueberries with cold water and then set aside. Stir together with oil, eggs, and muffin mix until blended. Do not overmix. Gently stir with the blueberries. Full cup of muffin cups of 2/3 full. So that's cool. Yeah, and then you're ready to bake. As directed below, until golden brown, cool for 5 minutes, gently loosen and remove pan. Store coated muffins in tightly covered container. So yeah, sounds great. It usually takes about 16 to 18 minutes on average for the 12 standard muffin pan. For the 24 mini muffin pan, it takes 12 to 14 minutes to actually get to bake. I guess because it's more spaced out, it's going to be a little easier to do. So I guess that's what's going to happen with the muffins. They will be. All right, so let's just, I guess, get into this. With the blueberry muffin mix, the can does come with blueberries within the box, so you don't have to buy separate blueberries. They do come with the muffin mix. So thank you for that. You add in the ingredients and then you add in the blueberries. As you're adding in the blueberries, make sure you don't stir it too much. The ingredients say to, the directions say to not stir it too much. So let's just make sure that we're stirring it at the right amount and not too much, so we can start, you know, adding it into the pan. So now that we are going to be filling up the pans, we are right now just buttering them, making sure each of the 24 muffin holders are buttered down. And we're going to be also making sure the edges have all the butter. So that's why I'm just trying to like put the butter in a circular motion. Normally what I would do is just get like a paper towel and take a piece of butter and then just rub it with the piece of butter. But I do have like like a ton of stick of butter right now, so I was just like, I'm gonna be a little lazy right now and just swivel it around. So then after, you know, making sure all the butter is coated in each of the 24 pans, and then I'm going to be adding flour. Now I know all the baking products are non-stick, especially this pan here specifically says it's non-stick. But sometimes even when you're baking with those things, it doesn't necessarily actually work that way. So what I like to do is do this, add the butter and the flour, and it does make it smoother when you're trying to take it out of the little cubby holes when you're done. So let me just finish this up and then I can move on to the next step, which is adding the blueberry muffin mix. And when we put it into the pan, try to make it as even as possible, but the thing that you should use definitely is an ice cream scoop. The ice cream scoop does help you gauge a little easier when you're trying to put the mix into the little slots. Also, the little mechanism that helps get the ice cream out, it is helpful with the mix as well. So try to use that. It's a little baking tip that I learned from my mom. So let's. Now it's time to just put it in the oven after we preheated it and wiped down all the crevices. Let that bad boy heat up for a little bit. And then we'll check up on you in a little while. See you later, blueberry muffins. See you later. Time to check the muffins. Ooh. They're not done yet, but they're looking kind of good already. They do look kind of yummy. Can't wait. I think it's time. Let's check it out. They look so good and perfecto. All right, let me get my glove on. Don't make fun of my gloves. They're kind of old. I do a lot of baking, but I really like it. I like this glove. Don't advise using one hand, but I am trying to hold the camera. And set this bad boy down. Let's close her up. Look at those muffins. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys can smell it right now, because these muffins smell great. But so I'm gonna let them cool for about 5 minutes and let you guys know how it tastes. All right, everyone, the muffins are cooled down. I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat some of them. I did have some leftover Hanukkah plates, so I'm definitely gonna be putting the muffins on those plates. These muffins are kosher, so you can have them if you're Jewish and you're going to be having some holidays. You can definitely enjoy them, so you definitely check that out. It has it right there. So but yeah, I definitely want to try one of these bad boys out, and I can't wait because they look so yummy. So yummy in my tummy. And I think I'm gonna give some to my neighbors so they can try out themselves, and I'm just so excited. Yay! So I do have one of the muffins here. As you guys can see, it came out pretty smoothly with the butter and the flour. I didn't need to use the baking cups. That is a great substitute if you guys want to try that out and you don't really want to use baking cups. You definitely can. They are protein muffins, so they are supposed to be healthy for you. They don't have that many calories. If I'm not mistaken, it's 12 grams of protein. So it is still pretty good that you can have like a mini muffin for a day. So I am going to try this bad boy. It does smell great. I do like blueberries, so here we go. It is pretty good, and it is still actually very moist and fluffy, even though I did only use water. I am going to try the recipe next time with milk and just let you guys know. I'm not going to film it on camera, but I'll definitely let you guys know on Instagram how everything is going. So definitely make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And I'm just going to enjoy this muffin and keep it moving. So thank you so much, beautiful people, for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join our Facebook group, I'll have the link down below. And if you just want to meet up for a meeting and talk about couponing, how to get free stuff, special shout out to InFluencer and Krusteaz for giving me these muffins to make and enjoy. Just send me a quick email at couponcartclub@gmail.com. Alright, beautiful people. Hate to say it, but I'll see you guys soon. Bye.